Glogster is a cool Web 2.0 tool that allows users to create multimedia interactive posters by adding content such as video, audio, photos, graphics, and text. It's easy to do. First thing you'll need to do is go to edu.glogster.com and sign up for an account. If you just click on I'm a student, you can register. Once you are registered, you can log in and get started. First thing you'll do is click on Create New Glog. There are a number of different templates available. However, for today, we're just going to start with a blank page. I'm going to select Vertical Alignment, and I'm going to just click and delete the objects that are there, and that gives us a blank page to get started. To select the background for my wall, I'm going to click on Wall. You can use your images, but they have a gallery of backgrounds as well as just solid colors. I'm going to click on Start and pick a background, click Use It, and I'm ready to go. First thing I want to do is add a headline for it, so I'm going to click on Text, and I believe, let's see, under Styles, I'll pick a style that I want to use. Comes up, if I double click to select the text, I can add my headline. Once I do that, if I highlight it, I can change the font. I can increase the size. Oop, that's a little too large. Maybe a little bit. Let's add Web 2.0 tools. I could change the color if I want. I'm done. I click and I can move. I can rotate to add it where I want to add it. Once that's done, to continue adding content, I'm going to click on the toolbar and then select the type of content. I have an image I want to add, a Wordle that I did with Web 2.0 tools. So I'm going to first upload my image. I'm going to locate it on my computer. It does take it a minute to show up. Once it shows up in my box here, then I can click on it to use it. Okay, now my image shows here. I click on it, select Use It, and there it is. I can drag it to where I want. I can resize by clicking on the arrows and move it, make it a bit larger, and there's the image. Now I have a neat video that I want to include, so I'm going to go back to Tools, select Video, and then I have a YouTube video, so I can just click on Link. I can go to the video that I've selected, copy the URL, and then come back and paste it in, add, and once again, once it shows up in my content, then it's ready for me to use. Click on it, use it, and there's my video. If I want to make sure that it's going to play, if I go up to the top and click on Preview, I can see that it's playing my video. I'll go back to Edit to continue. Another thing that I can add is I can add links so that people can go. We want this to be interactive. So I'm going to click once again on Tools, and this time I'm going to add an image. I've already uploaded Digo, which is a social bookmarking site. So I'm going to click that image to use it. Let's resize it. And then if I want to link it, if I click on it, I have the little link button right here. I can just either copy in or type in the URL, apply, and then once again click Preview. When I mouse over, it gives me the web and it will take me directly to Digo. So that's a neat way to put a number of different tools there that people could click on and explore Web 2.0 tools. There are other options available for doing more with content, but that gives you the basic idea to get started. Once you're finished, click Save. You need to give it a name, so I'm going to name it Web 2. Click Save. Now you have some different options at this point. You can make it public. You can tag it with a discipline. I would probably put this in resources and tools, maybe collaboration and networking. Select grade levels. You can change the URL. It automatically adds the title that you gave it, but you can change that if you want. And then you can save. Now at this point, if I save it, it will be public. However, I'm not finished with it, so I'm going to click Unfinished and then Finish Saving, and it's ready for me to go back and look at and make any changes before I publish it.